Right.
You cover that WD-40. Where's the can, Mike? I'm spraying.
Go. Like the bad boy. Oh, dude.
Where's the WD-40? We'll make a flame for that.
James, film this a minute while I get WD-40.
Get it 40 like that. Go like that. Oh, this is got
Spray WD-40 with a lighter for about 10 seconds.
Spray WD-40 with that.
We want the viewers to be happy.
Like that.
Whoa. You got to train us then.
That's probably coming back up the can.
That's quality. There we go. Now all the way down it. All the way down it, boys. All the way down it.
It's making a small trail.
Craig. One flamethrower.
Oh, stop going.
Yeah, you need to. Oh, right.
The trail ain't even working. The trail's gone cold. I know we should not even paper as well. For a grand finale.
Trust me, paper doesn't work.
Grand finale is the idea.
Yeah.
Into the bonfire.
You need more light.
The token stick standard is full flat. Starting to get short now, see? That didn't work, did it? Right, we better last turn, didn't it? No signal.
Mighty paper. Oh. Oh, good. We did exactly the same thing with WD-40.
Yeah, it was WD-40. Yeah, it was WD-40.
Was that what's left of the glass? What have we done?
Keep looking down.
No.
Oh, look, it's just paper. You can do this with paper, I reckon. Yeah, we'll try it.
Let's just cover that thing in. Oh, we can make that like a goal and then just light that on fire. That door frame.
Probably like that, though.
Shall I stop it?
No, keep going. No, look, I'm trying to find a way to do it. I think we should try it. Get that away from the can.
Okay, we've got some light here now.
That one?
What?
You record it?
Yeah. Do the entire can.
I need some help.
Get more. Now wait, do more. Michael's trail of paper.
Wonder of the world.
Where's the torch on this thing?
Roll up,
What?
Because of this stuff, isn't it? Oh, it's starting to get windy now.
Yeah, when I was recording, when I went Michael's paper, it just fucking like flew in my face.
Is that still recorded?
Oh yeah. Flames getting close to cameraman. Yeah, I know. No, it's only 4.
Do this petrol, this is like a straight.
We need like deck chairs and hot dogs and beer, which is what my dad actually said to do. Let's not forget burgers.
Are you still doing it Wednesday?
Maybe here.
Apparently you're only on phone.
Yeah, no, go to my house.
That's right.
Go to my house, eat up, apparently get beer, and then we'll go to the fireworks and try and make out the fireworks if we can. 20 quid. We can do our own fireworks again. Yes, that's right, viewer. Again, we did it before. The mines went off with a fucking bang. Oh wait, I do need a torch. I can't see any. I can't see your paper trail, Mike.
That's good. Oh fuck! I just done that.
Is this lit up with WD-40? Mike. That's the. You're meant to douse it all in WD-40, then like that. Craig, you need help. I can hardly see you. Keep walking. I can just about see a occasional flicker of light.
Ben.
What is it? Oh, nice one.
Don't put football in. I shouldn't do it.
Football goes in.
That's made of rubber. Oh yeah.
Woo.
This next polling video YouTube thing, actually. On this week, Bonfire.
On this Bonfire week, Craig falls in.
There you go, here we go, look at this.
Hilarious consequences.
It's gonna go, it will go.
Michael's fire chain.
No, look at my football, though.
Nothing's happening, I'm afraid, ladies and gentlemen. Michael's failed us again.
It is going.
I said it wouldn't work.
It's working.
He's done it before. Very slow. It's not like the movie. Like that to the gas station. I reckon if I just leave it there, I reckon it will eventually get to the end. That's if it doesn't go out.
I keep doing
The WD-40 over there will probably get dried out by the time it gets over there. Probably won't be next week, I think. Tonight, of course, is Bonfire night.
Should I put a light in there?
Nationwide.
Alright, yeah.
What?
Don't you care much you can. No, pull the boom.
Get all of them. Get like about 20 of them.
Oh! Look at mine.
Michael speeds up the process, burns off his eyebrows. Yes, you got the right idea. Do the whole line and then like it'll all be lit up.
How much does a can WD-40?
Five quid. Bollocks. Come on, that's like £3 tops.
Yeah, you get Tesco right.
Oh, we're getting close, We've
got to help it along the way, we're trying.
The rest is partially burnt out, but that gives us more lighting.
We need a bench. Let's make a bench.
Let's light that up and pretend it's a goo. We'll let the door frame up and walk through it.
Yeah, we need to we need a little ramp and a bike. We need a ride through
dirt bike.
Go on your bike. Yes, that's it.
Next.
Kids don't go there. It's going to go for ages. It's going to douse in that lighter fuel stuff.